While the world waits for a vaccine for COVID-19, some patients across the U.S. are seeing positive results from a plasma therapy. It's a transfusion that uses the plasma of people who have recovered from the disease. KSBY's Melissa Newman spoke to a former COVID-19 patient who donated plasma today and is now encouraging others to do the same.
People who have recovered from COVID-19 can come to places like this to donate plasma. Healthcare workers then take antibodies from the donation and give those to the sickest of patients, providing a little bit of hope. Arroyo Grande resident Helen Jacobson says having coronavirus was one of the hardest things she's gone through.
You're totally miserable. This thing is a horrid disease. I mean, for me, I was shaking. I could barely walk. I had like horrible chills.
Now that Jacobson's recovered, she's looking to help those that are still battling the disease. On Tuesday, she donated plasma for the first time.
The bottom line is don't be afraid. You're one of the lucky ones if you've survived it and are well, and so help others out. We need to help others.
Luis Meza's wife, Melissa, received COVID-19 plasma therapy last week. She's been fighting for her life in the hospital for nearly a month.
They found the plasma treatment for her, and they matched it up with a gentleman out of Ventura, and they did it on Friday, and she started getting a little bit better.
While she showed improvement, she still depends on advanced life support machines.
She's learning to move her hands. She barely waved to me the other day for the first time in 25 days. So it's really rough to see her what she's in. She still has a feeding tube. She still has a trach that's giving her oxygen. She's got IVs. She's got everything still hooked up to her.
Meza says he'd like to see more people who have tested positive for COVID-19 donate plasma, and as a recovered COVID patient himself, he plans to do so soon.
As soon as I'm clear, I'm going to go donate. If I can save 3 to 5 people's lives, all in.
The plasma donation process takes about 2 hours, and the FDA says that people can donate twice per week. In San Luis Obispo, Melissa Newman, KSBY News.
The state announced today that it will now allow coronavirus testing for those who have no symptoms but work in high-risk settings like nursing homes and prisons.